Hey, good morning everyone. How's your day coming along? So welcome back to the White Sponge live stream. So for today we are going to add that new character to stars. But before that, I'm glad to announce that the Asuka update is finally live. So you can just start up the game and you will be prompted to download the Asuka update, which is also the version 0.04 alpha. So let's carry on with adding the fourth character to stars. So we have all the frames over here. So we'll need to export them and add them to the game project. But before that, let's create the image files that we'll use. So first we'll need an image of a width and height. That is a factor of 4. So that the game engine can compress it and thereby reducing the amount of memory use while the game is running. So 32 times 32 is not big enough. Let's try 36 times 36. It's still not big enough. This is 40 times 40. Six, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our height, we can use 40 pixels. But for our width, we'll need something that is larger. Let's try 48. Okay, let's try 60. Okay, let's try 52 instead. Okay, 8, 7, 6, 6. Okay. Okay, so this is 52 times 40. Let's see. 6 and 6. Okay, so what we are doing now is to make sure that the width and height is big enough to support our animations. Okay, so it looks good. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to drag and drop all of the animation frames. Okay, which is a lot. Okay, so this could take a while. Okay, so once we are done with the animation sprites or frames for the character's body itself, okay, we'll do the special skill, which is the special shield, okay, that you see over here, okay, which will appear when you activate her special skill. Interesting. Okay, since we are dragging and dropping a huge number of frames at once, okay, this might take a while. Okay, so we have all of the animation frames over here, okay, which includes the frames for the idling animation, okay, the moving animation, okay, the getting stunned animation, the slippery animation, and the special skill animation. Okay, and that is why we have a lot of frames over there. Okay, now we just need to centralize the sprite itself. Okay, so 6 pixels on top and 6 pixels below, and 8 left and right. Okay, we just need to adjust the left and right. Okay, so the left and right works. Okay, so this will be the first frame. Okay, so the name for our new character here is not finalized yet. Okay, but we'll call her Eating for now. Okay, so this will be the first frame, okay, for her idling animation when she first appears. Okay, when she first appears in the character selection screen. Okay, and this will be the second frame. Okay, and this will be the third. Okay, I'm just going to remove the other layers. Okay, for this file itself, since we already have the first frame as the backup. Okay, because if we have too many layers, okay, in Photoshop the exporting that we will do later will be somewhat slower. Okay, and next let's create the animation frames for when she is idling while facing the left. Okay, and this is the second frame. Okay, and the third. Okay, the reason why Photoshop is taking quite a while, okay, to read a file is because we have a lot of layers in it. Okay, and that's why we are going to open it and remove all the other layers. Okay, so that later when we are exporting them, it will be much faster. Okay, so this is the idling animation for when she is facing the right. Okay, as with the left side, there are 3 frames. Which will be combined to create the animation. Okay, so now we have the images for the idling animation. Okay, let's move on to the moving animation. Okay, so as you can see, each and every character in Stars, including the characters that you can play the game with, and the enemies and the bosses, each of them requires a huge amount of animation frames, which is why you are looking at Photoshop right now. Okay, and now for the right. Hey, what's up, Big Reeds? Okay, move right 0. Okay, so right now we are creating the animation frames for the various animations. Okay, for our new character here. Okay, so we usually create the animations, okay, by combining, okay, multiple animation frames. Okay, which is why right now we are in Photoshop, okay, saving the various animation frames. Okay, so you might be wondering why I am deleting those layers. Okay, we are doing so because okay, we do not need them anymore for that file, since we have backup over here. Okay, so since we are done with the idling and moving animation, okay, next is the stunned animation. Okay, so this animation is played when you are stunned by either a boss or enemies who have the ability to stun you.